Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. I post crafty videos on this channel. So if you love DIY stuff, then consider subscribing. Now today I am sharing word album for Father's Day. Or you can give this album as a birthday gift to your father. You can also personalize this album with pictures and messages. So if you like this album and want to recreate it, then go get your crafting supplies and let's get started. First, you will need to create templates for the words which are 4 inches in height. Of course, you can change these dimensions as per your need. Now I am tracing these words on gold metallic sheet. Then cut it out with the help of scissors. Now you will need 3 black thick strip of papers which are 4 inches in height. Now mark 1 inch line for punching the holes. Now trace the outer curve of letter T and cut it out with the help of scissors. Now stick the golden letter with the help of a liquid glue. Now take a second strip of black paper, then align it with the first page and trace the letter A and cut it out. Now stick letter A and your second page is ready. Now for third page, align all the pages together, trace the outer curve of T and cut it out. Now let's decorate the first page with silver metallic marker. Now align all your pages together and punch 2 holes. Now let's decorate the second page. Take white sheet of paper which measures 3 by 6 inches Then fold that in half and stick it with liquid glue. Now I am gluing cute heart mustache to decorate this card. Now you have these two places to paste personalized pictures of your dad. Now let's decorate back side of second page. I am drawing some party banners and confettis with silver metallic pen. Now I am sticking these Polaroids to frame the picture. If you are looking for Polaroid tutorial, then I will put the link in the description box down below. Now you need to cut the pictures in square and stick it with liquid glue. Now I am creating number 1 dad badge to decorate our next page. Now I am decorating the third page with this squash book. Again, I will put the link for this squash book tutorial in the description box down below. You will get 4 places to paste your pictures here and lots of space for personalized messages. Now let's decorate back side of your page 3 with silver and golden metallic pen. Now bind all these pages together with a ring or a ribbon like I'm showing here. and your word album is ready to give to your dad on Father's Day or on his birthday. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you recreate this album, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with #DIY with Zini. I would love to see them. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day. Happy crafting!